To begin, place the hopper on the grinding regulator. It is important to check that the bean trap lever is closed. Turn it clockwise until it fits into place. Turn the grinder on. The display will let us know if the hopper is not in the correct position. Fill the hopper with coffee. And open the bean trap lever. Choose the grinding point you want using the side grind regulator. The chosen grinding point will light up on the central display. The correct point is that which will give us a perfect espresso using 7 or 8 grams of coffee made in 25 seconds. There are 3 operating modes, pre-doses, 2 pre-ground shots available immediately. Automatic. Using the portafilter, press once to get 1 shot and press twice to get 2. The coffee is ground instantly. Manual. Push once to start the grind and once again to stop it. Shot time regulation. We access the menu using the middle button. In the advanced menu, we can select times and configure them separately for 1 and 2 shots.